This 5-minute solution will show you how to change currency in Roblox. To change your Roblox currency, you have to change your country or location. But Roblox doesn't provide this option to change your country or location. And if you use a VPN extension or a VPN app to change your currency, let's see if it's work or not. So as you can see, I've connected my VPN to Australia, and now if I click on Roblox, buy Roblox, and still here we can see the currency is USD. It's mean if you use VPN to change your currency, sorry to say that your currency won't be changed if you use a VPN. So basically, here is no option to change currency on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.